you know what you're doing?
Of course I understand what I'm doing. What sort of question is that? Huh? Do I look like a mad woman to you?
Please.
Look, I already told you I'm not in love with you anymore. It's over between the two of us. As you can see, I'm already engaged to an American soldier, and there's no way I'd leave him for a thing like you.
Please, you can't do this to me. Please, sweetheart, you can't do this to me.
Of course I can do it. I just did it.
Please, please.
Move!
Hey, look at you. What sort of a man are you? She only had your love for a minute, and now she's giving it back to you. So just take it and bounce.
Can you imagine? Look at this thing. Leave!
Please.
I said leave! Oh, leave! Leave!
Will you marry me? You will? Promise to love you. Promise to go with you everywhere I go. Promise to take you back to the States to meet my parents. And I can promise that I will take you to Somalia, to Italy, to Norway, to Iraq. Everywhere I go, I will take you with me. And I promise to love you forever. Is that a yes? Good now. There you go. Okay, so we eat.
Is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. From a local girl to a city girl, from a nobody to somebody. Is in love with the American
Can you imagine me, a local girl, having servants, both male and female, at my beck and call? Can you just imagine?
Girlfriend, the news is all around town. This guy came to pick you up from the restaurant in a limousine.
In a limousine. They are not spreading the news well. Listen, huh? It wasn't just a normal limousine or like the ones they've been using in those local movies. So
Tell me about it.
I said it was an official limousine that President Bush himself shipped.
Say what?
Yes, just for his personal use. And on top of it, it had the American flag. And all through our journey, we just had cheers from the crowd. Oh my gosh, I felt like we're shooting an American movie or something, and I was Julia Roberts, and he was Richard Gere. Can you imagine?
Pretty woman, eh?
I know! That's exactly how I felt.
So now that the news is all around town, what are you gonna say to Charles when you get to hear
Oh,
of
to
it?
hell with Charles. But Charles is old news now. He no longer exists in my book. So, how can you compare an American Marine with a common building contractor?
Charles needs to be buried
I know.
under the ground.
From a local girl to a city girl, from a nobody to somebody.
Yo, doctor. I can see you were able to hit
Brother son here something.
the general doctor.
You know something? From today going, I have to move my crown and replace it on your head. You are the new king. I mean, the real dawn for this week. I bet you, I respect you.
Give him more places.
Okay, so
Give him more places, man.
General doctor. I respect you. Doctor.
A new king.
You see, now that the mission is complete, as planned, waiting you will be class these days.
Why does that be simple, sir? I'll go pressure.
Pressure, my tail.
Later, she will come see say, "Oh, me, are you local boy?" Let's eat out. Oh, me. No, the fuck. I better go now. This calls for a big time celebration. Where you guys from? Go.
She is in love with the American boy.
Charles is complaining that you are avoiding him of late. Is there any problem between the two of you?
There's no problem. It's just that Charles does still not understand me, you know. He always wants me to abide by his rules.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, he's always full of dictation.
I see. So that is the reason why you're avoiding him?
No, Mom, I haven't been avoiding him. You see, it's just I've been so busy at the restaurants nowadays, you know, helping out and stuff like that. And helping my mom as well.
Oh, good. Then thank God you are still interested in the relationship. You know, Ikuya, you have to make your marriage. They say women are weak, but the men are weaker than us. So please make it up to him, okay? Is that okay? Thank you, girl. That's my girl. Would you want something to drink?
Mama, you should have seen the way this guy was dressed today. He was looking so fine. All the female customers at the restaurant were just staring at him the whole time. He was just looking so cute and charming, Mama.
Yeah, so tell me, isn't your fiancé cute and charming enough for you?
Oh, leave Charles out of this. I can't see I've been trying to avoid him.
Just because of that guy. Why are you so in love with that guy? Simply because he's American?
Mama, see, that is how I know that you don't even know this guy's level. See, this guy is not just an American boy, he's an American soldier, a captain and a member of the Royal Marine Corps with a high rank for that matter. Yes.
So why is he in Ghana whilst his colleagues are seriously fighting in Iraq? Why?
He's one of the few American soldiers that President Bush trusts. He's here on a secret mission. And according to him, he says that some terrorists have infiltrated our country and they are here to destabilize West Africa.
Why?
Well, he says that according to some people that Saddam Hussein's trial was not fair enough. So they want to get back at him by destroying the American embassies in this country.
Yes. So you are trying to tell me he came down to arrest them, right?
Exactly.
Hey, Akuya, be careful, oh. Be very careful, eh? Don't bite the hand that feeds you. That's what I will tell you.
From a nobody to somebody.
Do you know what you're doing?
Of course I understand what I'm doing. What sort of question is that? Huh? Do I look like a mad woman to you?
Please.
Look, I already told you I'm not in love with you anymore. It's all between the two of us. As you can see, I'm already engaged to an American soldier. And there's no way I'd leave him for a thing like you.
Please, you can't do this to me. Please, sweetheart, you can't do this to
Of course I can do it. I just did it.
Please, please.
Move!
Hey, look at you. What sort of a man are you? She only had your love for a minute and now she's giving it back to you. So just take it and bounce.
Can you imagine? Look at this thing. Leave!
Please.
I said leave! Leave!
you crying like a baby? And what happened to your shirt? Talk to me, son, please. This is your mother. Please confide in me, okay? Tell me, what happened?
She doesn't love me again. Look at what she...
It's okay. You mean Akuya says she doesn't love you? So, and she did this to you? So it means you have to cry like a baby and come home. Hey, Gerald, wake up. Yeah, man. Listen to me. Akuya says she doesn't love you again. That is not the end of the world, right? All is not lost. Let me tell you, look, take her. She is surely going to pay dearly for that, okay? You know what? God up out there is not a sleeping God, okay? Cheer up. All is not lost, right? Oh, come on, let's go. Let's get inside and stop what you're doing.
She's in love with the American. She is in love with the American boy. American boy.
Sir, why are you sitting in the sun? Are you sick?
No.
Sir, you look worried. Have we done any bad job for you?
Not at all. I just want to have some quiet time, that's all.
But sir, concerning the cement, how many do you want us to mix?
I've already told Edusei about everything since you were not around this morning.
Okay.
But meanwhile, I want you to keep an eye on him.
Charlie?
I learned he has long hands.
That's all right. I'll do that.
I'll go back to you.
Thank you. Hey, you are too slow about this work. You better be quick about it. Water. What are you standing there for? Water.
What's up, man? You look so upset.
I mean, anything I did, I chop. I did like I don't do. Just say, concentration.
What? Money to do what?
You know, sir, for still the organize the pay. What you they talk? I take the money, run the girl. For the go for the kill, Charlie, and for the just knock him down. And they talk something serious, you guys, they laugh. Why they laugh? You forget what the girl take do you guys? With me, I can't say I can't save you boys. Organize the money, make her the run things.
Hold up, man. We can't play these cheap tricks on us anymore.
We can't cheap tricks.
You want us to gather money so you can go and flirt with that girl, eh?
It don't be so for do.
But we had a deal that once the girl, that's all.
That's it. How can I do you for the continue?
That will be on you.
But this money you give me be how much?
You let me say how much?
It be how much?
The dollar we give you be how much?
Oh, I hear. But the money you give me, no be the girl I take run things. It's not because of you guys that they do them.
So period. So what next?
I for they continue to brush. What should they talk?
Before they continue to.
I for the brush.
Right now, what is the next action?
Man, we all the hustle.
I got some bills to settle. Yeah. You know deal like that, brothers. Waiting, you don't deal like that. Just say okay, Charlie. I broke small. I broke.
No. Why don't you leave this guy? Leave this madman alone. Let's find something better.
Too much brushing. It's too much brushing. How much do you want brush the woman?
Okay, let's be like that.
I want yourself.
You're a Taiwan brush.
Forget it.
You the thing say you be the fresh guy, so anytime you get a thing, I go feel screw, alright? Charlie, I be
one past you.
I bet you, I be one past you. Even I won't swallow you. If you don't know, I won't swallow you. Come on.
This money you give me be how much? Waiting. So you guys like you can't jealous me, self. I get the thing the brush and you they jealous. Oh, I go run my own things, not be anything.
Fine, isn't it?
This is Major Dr. Nelly. This is the man that I want to get married to.
Hi, mother.
Hey, AGYA, haven't I warned you? Huh? Haven't I warned you to stay away from this guy?
Mom, what's all this? What sort of attitude is this? Why are you acting like this? This is Major Dr. Nelly. This is the man that wants to marry me and send me outside this country. So why are you sitting here acting like this? Why are you embarrassing me?
I will. Huh? What shows that he came from America? Huh? What shows? AGYA, I am your mother and I'm sensing something fishy about this guy. Huh? AGYA, what's wrong with you? Hey.
It's okay. Mother, please.
Hey, shut up and leave my house. Leave my house.
It's alright. It's okay. Okay?
Yeah. She's in love with the American. She is in love with the American boy. American boy. So-called American boy. She wants no other but the American boy.
Have you seen what you just done? Mom, what's all this? What's all this?
AGYA, the way you are thinking about this man, he is not. He will not take you anywhere. Why? Why? I don't become some child wanting. I didn't so no.
Oh, so is that why you should embarrass me in front of him?
Don't you know that I'm your mother? I'm your mother and I know what is good for you. If you don't know.
Mom, what's this? I'm even tired of this. I don't even know why she is
in love with the American boy. American boy.
I'm even fine. What? Today child, tomorrow child. I want all this. Why? Am I not old enough to choose a man for myself?
Laurisha, please advise your friend.
How this sudden change towards Charles?
Mother, what has she gone to do now? Hey, how can she neglect Charles to that idiot who claims he came from America? AGYA, you must know your roots. This guy rented this apartment for us, as well as the restaurant. Besides, he's taking good care of you. Why, AGYA, why?
Mother, I understand how you feel, but taking care of AGYA is nothing. There are men out there building big mansions, buying expensive cars, clothes, shoes. Are you telling me these girls are more for women than AGYA? Huh? After all, this guy is a major doctor, an American soldier. Isn't that what you want for your daughter? Huh? After all, it's the love between them that really matters.
Laurisha, what do you mean by that?
Mother, look, I simply mean that love was in existence before money. So please, let her just follow her heart. Okay? Because what the heart decides, the mind can never change it.
Now I know that you are a bad girl. And I will not sit here see you spoil my daughter. Leave my house.
Mother,
Leave my house! What? Leave here! Leave!
AGYA, let's go. AGYA.
Hey! Leave my
Mom, please.
AGYA, get in! Hey! I say get inside. Me? Yo!
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of